When I join a company, 9 times out of 10, I'm asked to fix the website first. Trust me, updating the website design is not the priority. Here's the truth. Most marketing issues fall into one of 3 traps. Trap 1, your CRM is a mess. Leads fall through the cracks, data is outdated, and nobody trusts what's in there. Trap 2, your funnel's disjointed. Marketing hands off cold leads and sales gets tired chasing lost causes. Trap 3, your metrics are lying to you. Vanity numbers look great in the slide deck, but they don't move revenue. So what's the fix? Well, that depends on your job title. Click one of the above to get advice relevant to your role.